Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Topic hair building fiber subscription or Topic subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you can cancel your subscription by using two methods. So I will provide you two very easy methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So first of all, you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account. Make sure you have logged in into your correct account by which you have taken your subscription. Okay, and once you logged in into your account, you need to tap on your profile icon. This kind of profile icon you can see on the top side, and once you are on this section, there is a option like my subscription, view or manage your subscription. You can cancel your subscription by using this way. Okay, and if you are not a technical person, if you are facing any issue while visiting on the page, then you can also contact with their customer support team. Their phone number is easily available on the internet. You just need to simply type Topic customer support number, you will get their number. They have their separate numbers for Canada and all. Then you can contact and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription, and you need to provide a valid reason, and after confirming your details they will cancel your subscription. And don't forget to get a proof of cancellation on your email. Okay, and once you get your proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is ended from their side. If you don't get any proof of cancellation, you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, so this is the thing. And now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.